Once upon a time, in a small, serene village nestled between majestic mountains and lush green fields, lived three extraordinary friends, Tom, Jack, and Leo. These three men were known throughout the village for their bravery and unwavering dedication to helping others. The villagers admired them and often sought their help in times of trouble. Their friendship was unbreakable, built on trust and mutual respect. One warm summer evening, as the sun began to set behind the mountains, the village chief summoned Tom, Jack, and Leo to the village square. The villagers gathered around, whispering in hushed tones, curious about what urgent matter had brought everyone together. The village chief, an elderly man with a long white beard, stood on a small platform and addressed the crowd. "My dear villagers," he began, "we face a grave problem. Our river, the lifeblood of our village, is drying up. Without it, our crops will wither, our animals will suffer, and we will not survive the harsh winter." Gasps of concern echoed through the crowd. The river had always been abundant, providing water for drinking, farming, and fishing. The thought of losing it was terrifying. Gasped the chief continued, "We must find out what is causing this and put an end to it. I have chosen our three bravest men, Tom, Jack, and Leo, to embark on this important mission." Tom, Jack, and Leo stepped forward, their faces serious and determined. "We will do whatever it takes to save our village," Tom declared. The next morning, the three friends packed their bags with food, water, and tools and set off on their journey. They followed the river upstream, walking through dense forests where the sunlight barely reached the ground. They crossed wide meadows filled with colorful flowers and butterflies. The journey was long and tiring, but their determination kept them going. After 2 days of trekking, they reached the base of a tall, rocky mountain. Here, the river was nothing more than a tiny stream trickling down the mountainside. The friends decided to climb the mountain to find the source of the river. The climb was arduous, with steep cliffs and loose rocks, but they were determined to reach the top. As they climbed higher, the air grew colder, and the vegetation became sparse. Finally, after hours of climbing, they reached the summit. There, they found a beautiful, crystal-clear lake nestled in a rocky basin. But to their dismay, they saw that a massive landslide had blocked the outlet of the lake with huge boulders. The water that was supposed to flow into the river was trapped behind these rocks. Tom was the first to speak. "We need to remove these rocks so the water can flow into the river again." Jack nodded. "But these rocks are too big to move by hand. We need a plan." Leo, who was known for his clever ideas, thought for a moment. "We should use our tools to break the rocks into smaller pieces. Then, we can build a small dam to control the water flow." Jack used their hammers and chisels to break the rocks, while Leo gathered wood and stones to construct the dam. It was hard, back-breaking work.
Their muscles ached, and their hands were blistered, but they did not give up. Days turned into weeks as they toiled tirelessly. They took turns working and resting, ensuring that someone was always chipping away at the rocks or building the dam.
Despite the challenges, their spirits remained high. They sang songs and told stories to keep each other motivated. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, they finally broke through the last of the boulders. Water gushed out of the lake, rushing down the mountainside and into the riverbed. The friends cheered, their hearts filled with joy and relief, but their work was not yet done. They needed to complete the dam to ensure the water flow was steady and controlled. Working through the night, they finished the dam just as the first light of dawn touched the sky. Exhausted but elated, they watched as the water flowed smoothly from the lake into the river, revitalizing it. The once dry riverbed was now a lively stream, sparkling in the morning sun. Tom, Jack, and Leo hurried back to their village to share the good news. The journey back seemed much shorter, as their hearts were light with the success of their mission. When they arrived, the villagers greeted them with cheers and applause. The village chief embraced each of them warmly. You have saved our village, the chief said, his eyes filled with gratitude. Your bravery, hard work, and determination have restored the river and given us hope for the future. The villagers threw a grand celebration in honor of the three friends. There was music, dancing, and a feast with delicious food. The children listened in awe as Tom, Jack, and Leo recounted their adventure. Their story became a legend, passed down from generation to generation. Tom, Jack, and Leo were not only celebrated as heroes but also as symbols of what could be achieved through friendship, perseverance, and teamwork. They continued to live in the village, always ready to help others and embark on new adventures. As the years passed, the village thrived. The river, once in danger of disappearing, flowed stronger than ever, nourishing the land and the people. And whenever a challenge arose, the villagers would remember the story of the three brave men who saved their village, drawing inspiration and courage from their example. Tom, Jack, and Leo's legacy lived on, a testament to the power of bravery and friendship. And so, the village remained a place of peace, prosperity, and unity, where the spirit of the three brave men continued to shine brightly for all time.